Hello students, today we will discuss about the equation of any plane through 3 points x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2 and x3, y3, z3. 3 points are given, then equation of any plane. Suppose the equation of any plane is ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. That is your first equation, standard equation of plane. If equation 1 passes through given points, 3 given points, then when it will pass through x1, y1, z1 points, then x, y, z, it will be replaced by x1, y1, z1. It means your equation will be ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d equal to 0. That is your second equation. Now standard equation again passing through second point x2, y2, z2. This time x, y, z will be replaced by x2, y2, z2 and equation will be ax2 plus by2 plus cz2 plus d equal to 0. That is your third equation. Now third point is x3, y3, z3. Equation will pass through this point, then equation convert into ax3 plus by3 plus cz3 plus d equal to 0. Now after putting the values of point x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, x3, y3, z3, you will get 3 equations, second, third and fourth. After simplification of these 3 equations, you will get value of a, b, c, d. Then these value you will put in standard equation first. That will be your final equation of the plane. Now come to the question. Find the equation of plane through the points. 3 points are given, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, minus 1, 0, 0. You have to find the equation of the plane which is passes through these points. So let the equation of plane be ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. That is your standard equation. Now according to this, when we will take it pass through the point 1, 0, 2. Then put the value of x equal to 1. Then a into 1 it will be a. Value of y, that is 0. B into 0, that will be 0. That's why there will be no terms for b. Value of z, that is 2. It will be 2c plus d as it is equal to 0. That is your second equation. When equation of the plane passes through this point. When it will pass through another point 0, 3, 0. This time x equal to 0 and y equal to 3, z equal to 0. Then your equation will be 3b plus d equal to 0, or you can say b equal to minus d upon 3. When it will pass through another point, that is minus 1, 0, 0. This time x equal to minus 1, y equal to 0, z equal to 0. Then your equation will be minus a, b, c. These terms will be 0 because value of y and z both are 0. That's why this will be 0 and you will get minus a plus d equal to 0, or you can say a equal to d. Now from equation second, here a in terms of d, b in terms of d, we need c. If c also in terms of d, then value of a, b, c you can put in standard equation. For this we will change your equation second. Second is a plus 2c plus d equal to 0. Value of a, that is d, you can put in equation second. That's why it will be d plus 2c plus d, or you can say 2c plus 2d equal to 0, or 2c equal to minus 2d. 2 से 2 cancel, c equal to minus d. Now value of a, b and c, they all are in terms of d. That's why you will put value of a, b, c in equation first. Equation first is this. Value of a, b, c, a replaced by d, b replaced by minus d upon 3, c replaced by minus d, and d as it is. So it will be dx minus d upon 3y minus dz plus d equal to 0. You can take d upon 3 common. D upon 3 common, so 3 will be here. 3 multiplying x, it will be 3x minus d upon 3 common, y as it is, minus 3. Again when you will take LCM, 3 will be multiplying z or here also. So it will be minus 3z plus 3 here. D is common, that's why it will be 3. So d upon 3 in bracket 3x minus y minus 3z plus 3 equal to 0, or you can say 3x minus y minus 3z plus 3 equal to 0. It will be equation of the plane which is passes through given 3 points. That is the final equation of the plane. Now come to the another question. This time show that the 4 points. In this question there were 3 points, here 4 points. so that the 4 points are coplanar. Coplanar means all points lie on a plane. So we will do same way. First 3 points, we will take first 3 points on the basis of first 3 points. So you can say any 3 points. On the basis of 3 points, we will get equation of the plane. Then put fourth point in that plane, equation of the plane. If it satisfies the equation of the plane, then all 4 points lie on the plane. That's why they will be coplanar. Otherwise not. So first, let the equation of the plane ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. When it is passes through this point, given point, first point is 0, 0, 2, you will put value of x 0, value of y 0, z will be 2, that's why you will get 2c plus d equal to 0. You can say c equal to minus d upon 2. Second point, 1 to 1. When plane pass through 1 to 1, this time x1, y2, z1. x1 it means a, y2 it means 2b, z1 c, d as it is. A plus 2b plus c plus d equal to 0, or you can put value of c in terms of d. C equal to minus d upon 2, a plus 2b as it is, c replaced by minus d upon 2 plus d as it is. Simplify, 2 1 ja 2, 2d minus d, it means plus d, d upon 2. You will get a plus 2b plus d upon 2, that is your equation third. Now equation of the plane, first, that is basic equation, passes through third point. Third point is 3 1 0. This time x equal to 3, y equal to 1 and z equal to 0. So you will get 3a plus b plus d equal to 0. That is your fourth equation. Now on multiplying by 2 in equation fourth. In fourth equation you will multiply by 2, then it will be convert 6a, 2b, 2d equal to 0. Then we will subtract it from equation third. When we will subtract it, sign will be changed, minus minus minus. This time 2b cancel out, minus 6a plus a, that's why minus 5a. D upon 2 plus or minus 2d, there it is d upon 2 minus 2d. You will take LCM 2, then it will be d minus 4d. That's why minus 3d upon 2. Minus 5a minus 3d d upon 2 equal to 0, or it can be written minus 5 equal to 3d upon 2, or a equal to minus 3d upon 10. 5 to the 10. Value of a is minus 3d upon 10. Now value of a put in equation 4th. Value of a put in equation 4, that is 3a. A replaced by minus 3d upon 10 plus b as it is plus d equal to 0. This time 3 into 3 9. It will be minus 9d upon 10 and it is plus d. You will take LCM, 10d minus 9d. So it will be d upon 10. That's why b plus d upon 10 equal to 0, or b equal to minus d upon 10. This time value of a minus 3d upon 10, value of b minus d upon 10, and value of c minus d upon 2. Value of ABC clear. Now put the value of ABC in equation first. That is your basic equation. A replaced by minus 3d upon 10x, b replaced by minus d upon 10 y, c replaced by minus d upon 2z, and d remains same. This time we will take common minus d upon 10. Minus d upon 10, so it will be 3x, it will be plus y, it is 5z, or d minus d upon 10 common, that's why it will be minus d. You will multiply here, minus minus plus, so 10 to 10 cancel, you will get same value d. That's why, or it can be written 3x plus y plus 5z minus 10 equal to 0. So it is the basic equation of the plane which pass through 3 given points. Now we will check for fourth one. If it satisfy this equation of the plane, then they will be coplanar, otherwise not coplanar. Now put the value of x 2, y minus 1, z 1. 3 into x replaced by 2, 3 into 2, y replaced by minus 1, z replaced by 1, 5 into 1, minus 10. 3 2 just 6, minus 1, 5 into 1, 5, minus 10, 5 plus 6, 11, or 10, 1, 11. 11 minus 11, 0. This point satisfy the equation of the plane. That's why 4 points are coplanar. Thank you.